Hello everybody and Happy New Year! So I want to start the new year with a little tutorial series about the show file, which will be able to be downloaded soon, as I promised. The first thing about what I want to speak today are so-called preset fixtures. I use preset fixtures in my show file to keep all the global presets in the file. If you go to the group look, you will find invisible groups, and there you find preset fixtures, moving lights, static, strobe, conventional or pixel, and atmosphere, which will keep in my show file all the SFX components. Let's go back to the moving light fixtures, and here you see all the fixtures which I used with this version of the show file, and I keep all the global parameters with it. So, and as you can see, for example, in the color pool, you find all the colors as global presets. So if I choose, for example, the elation dots, you see, expect the color wheel release. Every preset is working. I don't use the color wheel release for the elation dots because the elation dots don't use a color wheel, it only has RGB values. And you can also go and check out the beam attributes, and you see there is no iris, for example, there's no effect wheel, no flower, and I keep all the presets adjusted like I need them. And so if I choose, for example, a fast strobe, I can be sure that the fixtures match to each other. So if I get, for example, a new fixture type in the file, I choose one of the fixtures I already used and adjust the strobe speed to this fixture what I used in the file before. So I can make sure that all the strobe fast function work over all fixtures the same way. But to see how it works in practice, let's go and patch some fixtures. Let's say I will patch some new elation dots. So. And I used, as you can see, the extended mode because there are used one. So I take them and want 4 of them, give them a fixture ID and create them. And now let's patch a fixture which I don't use in my show file. Let's take, for example, the Oros from Ayrton. In standard mode, it's equal. As you can see, 0 of them is used. I take also 4 of them, give them a fixture ID, and patch them. If I now go and take my darts, which I just patched, you can see that the presets are still working like they should. So the colors are working and all the global informations are there like I needed them. But if I go now and take the Oros, you can see no global preset is available because this fixture was not part of my show file. So if I have a new fixture, I all time keep one of these fixtures left in my file, that all the global presets I have stored are still available in the file. I use normally GDTF fixtures, and it's at the moment not really possible to combine a preset with a GDTF fixture if you export them. So I wish you happy programming and a good time, and see you at one of the next tutorials.